181 daw po yung evidence pero kaunang bahagi pa lang daw ito. So ibig sabihin marami pang paparating daw na ebidensya against your father.
Ang comment ko lang talaga dyan, ma'am, okay lang din naman siguro na mag-comment ako nito dahil hindi naman ako kaparte ng ICC case. 181 pieces of evidence at sinasabi nila libo-libo. This is a case of crimes against humanity. So kung meron ka lang 181 pieces of evidence, does that show a crime against humanity? Kasi kaya nga sinasabi ko sabi ko, naging kaso ba ito dahil sa atake lang ng media? Dahil laging paulit-ulit ng media yon, ilang taon, war on drugs, thousands killed. War on drugs, 30,000 killed. And yet, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ICC and there's just 181 pieces of evidence. So nasaan na ang 30,000 pieces of evidence? This is not a case for the ICC. This was not even, these were not even cases in the Philippines. Not a single case. So parang ang pakiramdam ko, naging kaso siya dahil sa portrayal ng media sa war on drugs, and that was just the title noong trabaho ng gobyerno na pugsain ang illegal na droga sa loob ng kanyang bayan. Parang hindi siya makatarungan sa 80 years old na tao.
Ma'am, so ang sinisisip,
but the ICC is also saying that even one death is already enough to constitute crimes against humanity.
Of course not.
no, ang sinabi po ma'am ng human rights group na pinamumunuan po ni Attorney Conti is that it doesn't have to be 30,000 but they have to prove that it's systematic and it's organized. Yun po yung sabi sa press conference kagabi.
Yes, but you have to prove that there were 30,000 victims.
Yeah.
Crimes of humanity.
So how can you prove systematic killing of 30,000 victims if you do not have the names of 30,000 victims? So really, truly, wala naman kaming magawa sa media, pero nakikita ko talaga sa lahat ng articles, war on drugs killing thousands, and yet we have 181 pieces of evidence and we don't even have 50 victims. This is 43 counts of murder.